begin our practice in Yogi squat. The mantra that you will say today, I am peaceful. You will spend approximately 2 minutes in each posture focusing on your breath and the mantra. In Yogi squat, keep your heels flat on the floor, push your elbows into your knees, elongate your spine. As you inhale and exhale, I am peaceful. Being mindful of your inner voice is the first step to mastering it. By repeating a mantra while you do this practice, it will guide your inner voice to stay positive and on task. I am peaceful. I am peaceful. Now, as you move into the next posture, slowly get onto your hands and knees in preparation for thread the needle. So left hand up, inhale, and your ear on your mat, then your leg out, and you can hold your toe with your peace finger and wrap your other hand around and tuck it in the crease of your hip. Inhale and exhale. I am peaceful. I am peaceful. Inhale and exhale. I am peaceful. As you go to move, use your right arm to push yourself up. Lift your right leg around onto your left side and look at it and stretch. Feel the beautiful stretch down the side of your body. Inhale, exhale, and then come back to all fours. Go back into a child's pose just to stretch in between each posture. Now inhale, reaching up with your right hand, thread the needle to the other side. Ear on the mat, slowly move your other leg, holding your big toe with your peace fingers. Then wrap your other arm round your back and tuck your fingers into the crease of your thigh and hip. Inhale and exhale as you stretch into this posture. I am peaceful. I am peaceful. With your right hand, push yourself up onto all fours, but before you do, bring your leg around to the opposite side and look at it. Feel that beautiful stretch down the side of your body. Back onto all fours, back into child's pose. I am peaceful. Inhale and exhale. I am peaceful. I am peaceful. Inhale, come up onto all fours, onto tabletop. We're going to do 5 rounds of cat and cow. Inhale and exhale, pushing away from the earth. In cat. Inhale and exhale as you rotate between the 2 postures here. I am peaceful. As you push away from the earth up into cat, feel between your shoulder blades stretch. I am peaceful. Now move your hands forward a little bit, and we're going to go into lizard pose with your right leg first. And slowly walk your hands forward. Move slowly into this posture. Your left leg is back, straight. If you feel any discomfort, inhale and exhale, and just move into the posture. Your hips are square. I am peaceful. Focus on your breath. each inhalation and exhalation, and say the mantra in your head, I am peaceful. Push yourself up onto your hands, curl the toe under of your straight leg, take your other leg back and push into downward dog. The most important thing is that your spine is straight. Think about pushing your chest towards your thighs. I am peaceful. I am peaceful. Roll forward with your weight onto your hands and walk your feet up to your hands. You're going to sit down on your bottom in an L sit. Inhale, reach up. Lean forward, fold forward and exhale. I am peaceful. Inhale, reach up. Stretch up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forward. I am peaceful. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forward. I am peaceful. Inhale, reach up. Now, bring both the soles of your feet together. Walk your bottom into your heels. Have the soles of your feet together with your thumbs in the arches like you're opening a book. Nice long neck. Inhale and exhale in butterfly pose. I am peaceful. I am peaceful. Focus on your breath. Long spine. Sit tall. Okay, now we're going to turn it onto our back now. We're going to go into bridge pose. So gently lay down, heels together, push your buttocks off the floor. Think about pushing your belly button up to the ceiling. Arms are straight, ankles are together. I am peaceful. Up on your shoulder blades. Inhale and exhale. Lower your bottom down now and put your hands inside the arches of your feet and rock in happy baby. No one can see you. Enjoy the sensation. Inhale and exhale as you rock and roll. I am peaceful. I am peaceful. I am peaceful. Now, wrap your arms around your knees. Feel where your back contacts the mat and just roll and rock and enjoy the sensation as you inhale and exhale. Stretch your legs down now for Shavasana. Inhale and exhale and enjoy the sensation that you've created for yourself. I am peaceful. A great mantra can set up your day for success. I am peaceful. Stay in Shavasana as long as you like. I am peaceful. Focus on your breath being slow. Inhale, pause, exhale, pause. I am peaceful. I am peaceful.